Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, FinTech with Team Bees. I hope you're making cool cash over there. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell so that YouTube can alert you once new video drops. Warm welcome to our returning subscribers and viewers. I hope you have a great time watching today's video. Stay tuned.
So, hello everyone. So, today we'll be teaching us how we can activate our Royal Q bot. Yeah, our Royal Q bot. So, just open the app. Open the app. So, this is the app. So, I've verified my account. So, all I need to do now is to activate my account. So, activate my account. So, yeah, activate my account. So how much do I need? I need $120 for me to activate my account, and I also need some coins for fuel fee. So all in all, I want to transfer 140 USDT to this my account. So now let's proceed to the let's proceed to transferring to the account. So we're going to click on assets. Yes, here what we have here, assets. So click on the assets. So click on the assets. So what you have here, you have your USDT. So that is 0.00. So I have nothing there already. So this is a fresh account. So what I'm going to click now is click on deposits, because I want to make a deposit. So if you read what you have here very well, you see deposit USDT only. So you need 120 USDT activation fee and some fuel fee to start your trading. So 120 USDT is for subscription for a full 12 months. That is 1 year usage of the Royal Q bot. So, and you are going to be transferring the 120 USDT plus the fuel fee. So we are transferring 140 USDT to the USDT wallet address on the Tron blockchain. That is the TRC20 that you can see here. TRC20. So ensure you use TRC20 to deposit, or assets might be lost. So if you use any other chain aside from the Tron blockchain, your assets would be lost and it might not be retraceable again. So you've lost your assets. So please do not deposit any non USDT assets to the address above. So the address may take a short while to arrive, the deposit rather. The funds may not be withdrawn from inactive accounts. So right now, what you need to do, just click on deposits. Deposits. What you have here, deposits. Yeah. So click on deposits. So here you copy the wallet address that you have here. So that is the wallet address in which you have to send the wallet the 120 USDT to. But in this case, we'll be sending 140 USDT. So click on this so to copy the wallet address, and don't forget that we are on the Tron blockchain. Can you see Tron blockchain? Don't forget that for you not to lose your assets. So now I'm clicking on it. I've copied successfully. So what am I going to do right now is to proceed to my Binance account to make the transfer. So right now I'm going to proceed to Binance. So open my Binance. So right here, I'm going to the wallet. So I'm going to the wallet. So and I'm going to click on funding. So on my wallet, I have this is the amount I have on the wallet. This is what I have on the wallet. So what am I going to do right now? Click on withdraw because I'm withdrawing currency out of my account. I hope you get what I'm saying right now. So click on USDT because that is the currency that you want to uh, send out of your account. So click on it. So Binance is asking you, are you sending via a crypto network or via email, phone, or ID? So you are selecting send via a crypto network. This. So you click on that. So right now we are where we are. So right now you see I cannot proceed. Uh, okay. So currently, I just just deposited 277 USDT. So that is why it's saying a part of my funds has been locked. So that is part of the security architecture of Binance, so that your funds will not be withdrawn away, especially when they notice a fresh deposit on your account. Do you get it right now? So what I have there is still enough for me to proceed with this withdrawal. So long press on the address and paste. So I've pasted the wallet address that I copied from the Royal Q bot. So right now you select the network. Select the network. Never forget that we are working with the Tron network TRC20. Please don't forget, don't make that mistake, don't make that error. You cannot correct it once you transfer it. Your funds would get lost. So please be very careful. So click on the Tron TRC20. So right now, how much are you sending? So we are sending 140 USDT. So okay, you can see Binance will remove one USDT as the network fee. So for me to get exactly 140 in my Royal Q bot account, so I want to put it at 141. So what I'm doing right now, so we are going to click on withdraw. So you confirm. So I'm going to receive 140 USDT in my wallet. So you can see Binance is already telling me ensure that the address is correct and on the same network. Transactions cannot be cancelled. So you have to cross check what you have here, whether it aligns with what you intend to do. So network the TRC20 as you have already. So here, as you have already TRC20, so right now, so you click on confirm the transaction. So, and you confirm with your security key. So, so right now, uh, my transaction is successful. So it's processing already. So I will go back to the Royal Q bot to actually wait for some few minutes for the deposits to reflect on my account. So let's give it a few minutes. So it's not yet already. So let's wait for some few minutes more. So right now let's refresh again. So you can see my 140 USDT has already arrived on my Royal Q bot. So that is just it. So you've already deposited your activation fee and also your fuel fee. So I'm going to end this video so that it won't be too long. So we are going to continue on the proper activation.